Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Very amazing and different stylish ideas, so hope you will like it. Ideas are most so beautiful and unique stylish ideas and stunning collections, so friends. Very amazing and different collections, so hope you will like it. I can share it with you, amazing and interested style ideas, so friends. You're watching it, ideas are very different or prettiest. Hope you will like and enjoy my unique styles. Our most stylish and different updated ideas are bestly. You're watching it at starting to end. So my dear friends, I hope you like these stylish ideas of best beautiful stones crafts ideas. As my dear friends and beautiful collections, so hope you will like these stylish ideas or my best collections. So my dear friends, ideas are very different and amazing styles about these collections. In this collection, ideas are very different. And these beautiful styles. And different styles. Hope you will like it. And it's beautiful ideas. You're watching it, style are most attractive and decent. Friends, is this style ideas are most attractive and decent ideas are bestly. And my dear viewers, keep watching these style ideas.